Hi, I'm Brendan and I'm a developer relations engineer. Today, I'd like to talk about the marketing funnel, which is a mainstay of marketing, and developer journeys, a mainstay of DevRel, and how the two are related. The funnel models a customer going through stages of their journey with a brand. The dev journey models a developer going through stages of their journey with a tech platform. However, the funnel is only a crude approximation of a developer journey. Let's find out how this is the case. The marketing funnel is all about conversion rates. That is, what fraction of customers in one stage move on to the next one. The objective of marketing is to employ strategies to maximize this fraction. Here's a simplified illustration. Customers for a brand first need to be aware of the brand. Next, they need to make the purchase decision and use a product from that brand. Finally, they need to be satisfied with their purchase and decide to repeat the purchase rather than to look for an alternative. For bonus points, if the product exceeded their expectations, they'll rave about it to friends and family, which is word of mouth. Of course, the brand wants all customers to do all of the above, and the reality is they don't, and a fraction of them will drop out at each stage. If those fractions are too high, the brand has a leaky funnel, which is not good. Marketing focuses their efforts on maximizing the flow through the funnel. Developer journeys, just like marketing funnels, also have conversion rates. At each stage, a developer is trying to accomplish something different. They encounter various touch points, and some of them go smoothly, but some of them do not, and these are friction points. These require workarounds and solutions, and it is the job of DevRel to provide those. Ideally, DevRel should proactively discover and rectify these before a developer even encounters them. So picture this. A developer goes on Google and searches for how to do some task with some tech. They click on one of the top results, which takes them to a Q&A on Stack Overflow. Or perhaps they click on a different result and that takes them to a demo or tutorial repo on GitHub. Whichever touch point they landed on, did that help them solve what they were working on? If so, great, it was smooth. If not, then that was a friction point. And DevRel needs to take note. Of course, DevRel wants to maximize smooth friction points and minimize smooth touch points and minimize friction points. Developer journeys with too many friction points are analogous to leaky marketing funnels. The conversion rates will be too low and most developers will simply avoid the tech platform. When that is the case, there are two powerful DevRel strategies to get this right: the information valve and developer experience research. The information valve is where DevRel facilitates bi-directional information flows between external developers using the tech platform and internal product or engineering teams. DevRel filters, amplifies, prioritizes feedback in both directions. So picture this. A developer asks a question or says that they are confused about something in your Discord. DevRel is monitoring the chat and helps them out with a known solution. But turns out that the solution does not work in this case, and DevRel realizes that there is an issue. DevRel notifies the product team and writes up a spec including recommended fixes. DevRel is back on Discord, notifying the developer that engineering is looking into the matter. Engineering comes through with a fix or a workaround, and DevRel relays that onto the developer. The next DevRel specialist strategy is Developer Experience Research, or DX Research for short. This is a means for DevRel to use a combination of surveys, DX audits, and DX usability tests to discover friction points. Picture this. DevRel requests for research participants from its community. Then DevRel has a one-on-one meeting with a developer, giving them a task to accomplish. The developer shares their screen, vocalizes their thoughts as they work through the given task. DevRel takes notes as they go along, keenly focused on where they may be confused or get stuck. This is a DX usability test and is a great way for DevRel to check their blind spots. In conclusion, the marketing funnel provides a great analogy or first cut through which we can understand developer journeys. But developer journeys are much more nuanced and complicated, so traditional marketing strategies will not work here. There are specialist DevRel strategies such as Dev Information Valves and DX Research, among several others which we haven't covered in this talk. We need to apply these specialist strategies proactively, and thus we strive to create perfect developer journeys. Thank you.